In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a new location on your Google Maps. Now, you can add your business or you can add a missing place on Google Maps. Now, before I teach you guys how to do this, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now, let's begin. So first things first, open up your Google Maps. After you do that, what you'll need to do is just find the place where the missing place or your new business is. After doing that, just tap on your profile and there you can see an option called add a missing place or add your business. So let us just add a missing place. So after you've done that, let it load. Now there you can see you can add a place's name. You can add the category. Now just tap on category and you'll see the list of categories and the address right here. Now you can just tap on this precise location and it will just give you the location. After doing that, you can just add the name and tap on submit, and after doing that you have submitted the location on Google Maps. After a few time, they will verify it and they'll add it for everyone. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you add the location. Now you can add another location for your personal space. To do that, just long press on the location. And now you can just add a label by, just tap on save. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.